How does one perceive the computers? Second, mini computer. It is mid-sized computer. Mini computers lie between workstations and mainframes in terms of size and power. They are multi-user systems. Third, mainframe computers. It is very large and expensive computer capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users altogether. Evolution of computers. The prices of computer are falling due to perfection in manufacturing techniques, and speed of processors is increasing twice every year. Thus, cost of new computers will remain same every year, but technology will improve regularly. Let us know the computer. Computer has a way of instructions like rapidly store data and get large information or perform set of instructions called program. Organization of the computer system. Computer system constitutes two parts: hardware, the physical parts, and software, set of programs.